I'm so happy to see you. I'm Rom&nd. So good to have you here. And today I have the festive makeup must-haves, and I have pretty awesome recommendations for you. So let's start with a foundation. So most of the foundations, they can conceal the dark spots, they can even out the skin tone, but they often feel drying and they only work temporarily. They don't target the issues like dark spots, uneven skin tone from the root. But I have a solution for this. So Derma Co, they have come up with this foundation. This is their 2% niacinamide high coverage foundation. It has 2% niacinamide, which is great for reducing dark spots and to evening out the skin tone, and also it doesn't feel drying. It is high coverage but it doesn't feel cakey, and it has humectants like hyaluronic acid which can hydrate the skin. It truly has great formulation, it is long lasting, and it also controls oil. Not just that, with the power of two amazing ingredients, 2% niacinamide and 1% hyaluronic acid, it becomes the perfect blend of science and makeup, making my skin feel super hydrated and nourished. And 1% hyaluronic acid helps to keep my skin plump, while 2% niacinamide actively reduces the dark spots of my skin from within. It also has SPF of 40 and PA++, and it is very easy to work with. You can use this with makeup sponge or brush, or even you can use your finger to blend it. It is super easy to blend. It is also fragrance free. And for your convenience, let me swatch all the shades from this range. The first shade is Ivory, which I'm using. Shade 2 is Nude. Shade 3 is Natural. Shade 4 is Caramel. Shade 5 is Peach. Shade 6 is Beige. And shade 7 is Cinnamon. And here you can see all the shades. Also, this foundation is water resistant, and to prove that, let me show you a quick taste. On my left side, I have a foundation from another brand. On the left side, I have the Derma Co foundation, and I'm adding water. So you can see the Derma Co foundation is not getting mixed with the water, showing that this is water resistant, and where the other foundation is melting, you notice that it's not getting mixed or smudged with the water, and that's really good. Also, there is more to love about the Derma Co. The Derma Co has empowered more than 10,000 young students through their Young Scientist initiative. For every product you buy from Derma Co, they link your order to a child they help along with Bhumi. Also, all their products are fragrance free right now, which ensures gentle experience for your skin. And you can use my code Rom&nd 2023 to get a 20% off on Derma Co products on their official website. Their products are also available on Nykaa, Amazon and Flipkart, and I'm going to leave all the information in the description box. And the second thing I have is an eyeshadow that I really love. So I don't buy too many eyeshadows, but this is Forever 52, and this is mostly out of stock because the formulation is so good, and for festive season it's gonna be awesome. The formulation is buttery, it is very easy to work with, it doesn't have any fallout, and also the holographic effect is very beautiful, and I think this is perfect for festive season. But this is a bit expensive, but I think the formulation is worth it, you know. I mean, this is gonna last for a long time. The colors are very pretty. I like the lilac and the skyline. These two colors are my favorite. And yeah, very beautiful eyeshadow. I bought it long time back, but I think I have not recommended this enough because it deserves the praise, you know. If you're looking for a good eyeshadow palette, holographic eyeshadow palette, then this is for you. But if you're into matte formulation, muted colors, then this is not for you. Next, I have a lipstick that I bought recently. It can work both as lipstick and a lip tint. This is the Fluffy Lip Tint. The color is so pretty. They have 4 colors, so I got the shade number 3. And this is wonderful. I think for festive season it's going to be a very beautiful color, and I think this would work for all skin tones. The name of the brand is Blessed Moon. Yeah, I have not used anything from this brand actually. This is the first thing I tried from this brand, and I really liked it. They also have eyeshadows. You can check those things. The eyeshadows are a bit expensive, but they look really interesting. It is not entirely transfer proof though, but the formulation is very comfortable, and this is long lasting. And if you want more lip tints, you can go for Apricot House as well. From Apricot House you can try these shades Walnut, Soft Walnut and Cranberry Plum. These shades are gorgeous. And next I have one eyebrow product. This is from Faces Canada. Formulation is really nice. You can get wax and the powder, and this is so affordable. It comes with mirror. I really like using it because this is very easy to work with. I'm not that great when it comes to doing my eyebrows, so I look for some convenient product, and this does the job for me. And for festive season, I think this can be a good job. But now I have something subtle, you know, because all the time I don't want to have like very strong color on my skin. I want something subtle as well, and for that I love these blushes from Rom&nd. So this is not super pigmented, but what it does, it gives this blurring effect. They say this is your shake but better color, and I agree. So if you get the color that matches with your skin tone, I think you're gonna love this because it gives this very natural finish. It gives this, like I told you, the blurring effect, which is great. My skin just looks better with this one, and this is matte. It doesn't feel cakey, you know. So yeah, I have few shades from this line. I'm gonna swatch it. But if you're looking for like pigmentation from your blush, do not try this because you're gonna be disappointed. It doesn't have much pigment. If you want good tinted blush, go for this one from Gush Beauty. They have good liquid blushes, and also this brand K Beauty, they have good blushes. And yeah, that's all I have for this video. If you want more recommendations, let me know. I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.